how to fix incoming calls are not showing but phone is ringing. So hello guys, if you're facing that problem, how you guys can fix that? So for that, we would simply click on phone app. Like it was for example phone app in my mobile, you simply hold on that. Once you hold on that, you guys will see I option. In some devices, you guys will see three dots. So simply click on three dots. If you are seeing or if you are seeing I, simply click on I. Once you click on that I here to guide and see manage notification, so simply click on that. You need to make sure that your notification was on. Also, you guys will see Bates hard notification ringtone vibrate. So simply on that ringtone or vibrate. Also, you guys can see default emergency calls, feedback incoming calls. So simply click on incoming calls. Once you click on incoming calls, you guys is set to certain. If that was turned on, turn off it. Also, you guys can see hard notification details on lock screen. So if these things are on, simply turn off it. Also, you guys can see ringtone known or vibrate. So simply change your ringtone. And once you do that, after that, go to settings. Once you go to setting, here search for display or other display or other apps. Once you search for that, simply click here. Once you click here, click on display or other apps. Now here you guys can see audio at phone app. So simply find phone app. Here is phone app. Simply click on that. If display or other apps was off, simply turn on it. After that, to start your phone. And you can try it again and that your problem will be fixed. There's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.